Today, we're diving into Rust best practices for blockchain and smart contract development. Whether you're building on Solana, Near, Substrate, or any other Rust-based chain, writing secure and efficient on-chain code is critical. Let's get into it. Each function should do one thing well. Split complex logic into small reusable functions less than 20 lines for easier testing and auditing in blockchain apps. Use early returns with result enum or question mark operator to handle errors cleanly, especially for invalid blockchain states. Unsafe bypasses Rust safety guarantees, risking exploits in blockchain apps. Use it only for low-level needs like crypto bindings, keep blocks small, wrap in safe APIs, and document invariants. Floating point ops are non-deterministic and break blockchain consensus. Use U64 or U128 with manual scaling or crates like Rust Decimal for precise token math. On-chain compute and storage are expensive. Flatten structs, avoid unnecessary fields, and offload state to off-chain systems like IPFS. Unit tests aren't enough for blockchain. Use Solana's program test or Substrate's mock runtimes to simulate malicious inputs and edge cases like reentrancy. Blind casts like as can truncate or wrap causing exploits. Use try-into to catch overflow errors in token balances or indices. Silent overflows can break blockchain logic. Use checked add, check sub, etc. for token math, saturating operations for capped counters, and wrapping operations only for hashing, as it's rarely safe in blockchain logic. Bitwise operations are common in blockchain for flags or permissions. Order lighter operations first to leverage short-circuiting and reduce compute cost. Validate and sanitize all inputs. Smart contract inputs are untrusted. Always validate parameters, bounds, and permissions to prevent exploits or state inconsistencies. Use Rust's type system and runtime checks for robust blockchain security. Panics from unwrap or expect crash your program, risking funds. Use question mark operator to propagate errors or match for clarity in smart contracts. Rust safety and performance make it perfect for blockchain, but you need discipline to get it right. These practices will help you build secure, efficient smart contracts ready for mainnet. Like and subscribe if you found these helpful, and let me know what you'd add to the list. Thanks for watching. Bye!